Hello, beautiful souls. Let's start with a word of wisdom from Proverbs 24, verse 3. 4. By wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge, its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. And as Ralph Waldo Emerson said, the first wealth is health. Today, I want to share with you how a clean house can create a clean mind and bring peace into your life. And maybe even find that missing sock. Tip number 1, declutter regularly. Clutter isn't just physical, it can affect your mental well-being too. Plus, who needs that many takeout menus? Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up. You'll be amazed at how clearing out old magazines and junk mail can lift your spirits. And maybe even make room for new junk mail. Tip number 2, create a cleaning routine. Consistency is key. Develop a simple cleaning schedule that works for you. Maybe Mondays are for dusting, Wednesdays for vacuuming, and Fridays for the bathrooms. And Sundays for Netflix and chill. Having a routine reduces stress and keeps your home in tip-top shape. Tip number 3, use natural cleaning products. Harsh chemicals can impact your health and the environment. Opt for natural cleaning agents like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Your nose and the planet will thank you. They work just as well and leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. Tip number 4, organize your space. A place for everything and everything in its place. Even that random drawer full of mystery items. Invest in storage solutions that help you stay organized. Baskets, bins, and labels can transform chaos into calm and make you feel like a professional organizer. Tip number 5, make cleaning a family affair. Turn it into a bonding activity. Or at least a way to get everyone to pitch in. Get everyone involved from the youngest to the oldest. It teaches responsibility and teamwork, and you'll get the job done faster. Plus, more hands make light work. Remember, a clean home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary where you can truly relax and recharge. A clean space can clear your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. And maybe even help you find your keys. So take those small steps daily to maintain your home and see how it transforms your life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And maybe a few laughs along the way. Until next time, stay blessed and keep your home and mind sparkling clean. And don't forget to have a little fun while you're at it.